my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using MAC Soft Ochre, and I'm going to be setting that with some RCMA No Color Powder. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner in Black is Black with an angled eyeliner brush. With a clean angled brush, I'm using Mikasa E100 brush. I'm going to be smudging out that gel liner that I just applied. With a small detailed brush, this is the Mikasa E310, I'm going to be applying the burnt orange from the Modern Renaissance palette right onto my crease. With the same small detailer brush, I'm going to be applying red ochre right on top of that burnt orange. After you've applied burnt orange and red ochre, you want to get a fluffier brush. I'm using the Morphe 5118 and the 535 to blend that out. So here I'm just going back and forth, blending and applying more of that red ochre and then blending again. With an e.l.f. smudge brush, I'm going to be applying the stripped shadow from the Pure Cosmetics palette with Etienne collaboration, and I'm also going to be grabbing the 3 AM shadow, which is a black shadow, and I'm going to be smoking out that liner again. For my primer, I'm using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer that I got in my BoxyCharm, which I totally recommend if you guys are looking for a primer. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match in W4 and W4.5 and blending that out with a Morphe E57 brush, and then following that with my Beauty Blender. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in medium and then blending that out with my finger. And then I'm also blending that out with the Beauty Blender and then setting that with the RCMA No Color Powder. After I set my under eye, I set my whole face with my Studio Fix in NC35. And then for bronzer, I use the MAC Give Me Sun. For blush, I'm using an e.l.f. blush and I'm applying that with a crown brush, and I believe it's their Deluxe Blush Brush. I'm going to be going back in with the burnt orange and red ochre shadow from the Modern Renaissance palette, and then I'm also going to be getting some of that stripped shadow from the Pure Cosmetics and apply that in my inner corner. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Tarte Tarteist, and then for my lips, I'm using the Makeup Geek Showstopper Cream Stain.